While using a software, isn't it painful to get stuck because of the need for instant guidance? Normally, what is your choice? Call up the helpline and take assistance. Browse through the user manual if it is available, or search for an answer in the FAQs. TDSMAN. Apart from its proactive helpline, it has a rich repository of FAQs, online user manuals, and explainer videos. However, it goes much beyond this. Direct from within the software, module-specific guidance is just a click away. Click to view the particular page from the user manual. Or, to go a step further, click to watch the relevant explainer video. It serves as your 24/7/365 assistant. TDSMAN, delighting its user family in preparing error-free TDS returns. Make a smart choice for your business. Download free trial at www.tdsman.com.